said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Kwadu, watch your way special. So we better and for one in your baby. Subscribe to Nana. No Bema when you need you. Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special? Nana Kwadu teach us how to cook. You make cooking feel so fun, so good. Teach us how to cook. Food so delicious, why just lose? Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa.
Hello, welcome to my channel, Nana Kwadu Special. And you know me, Mama Kaba. I'm very excited to show you how I prepare my bread today. It's very soft, very delicious, and I love it to eat it hot. So for this, you need 500 grams of flour. And I'll just put half a cup of water in a cup, separate. To that, I'll add 7 grams of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I'll leave that aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll add another 2 tablespoons of sugar to my flour. And a pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. And then I'll just mix all of my ingredients, dry ingredients together. And in a separate bowl, I'll just add 1/4 cup of margarine. I melted that and add that to my cup of water and yeast. I also add 1 egg to it and half a cup of milk. So I just stir that and then I add that to my dry ingredients. After that, I stir that all together. And then I just knead it on my plank with some flour so it doesn't stick on my board. Just knead it very well, and this is what you want. So in a separate bowl, I just add a bit of flour and then I leave it for about 1.5 hours for it to rise. So 1.5 hours later, this is how the dough looks like. Very fluffy and airy. And then I'll knead it just a little bit, and then I'll cut it in 8 equal pieces. And then separately, I'll just knead all of those one by one, just like that, till it's nice and round. And I'll just put them in my oven tray. And that's it. And then I'll leave that for about 30 minutes. And 30 minutes later, this is how it looks like. And I'll just brush them with some margarine. And that's it. Just put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees. And that's it. It smells delicious. I wish you could smell my kitchen. So optional, but I love to brush it with some margarine afterwards, and I just have it like this. I don't add anything to it, and I just love it like this. It's delicious. And then I'll just take it out of my tray to cool down for a bit. And that's it. You've got your fresh bread. Now I'll just show you how soft they are. Look at how easy I can take a piece off. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.